XRP Future Millionaire at 10:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, cooking some my Italian sauce. Got 27 meatballs in there. Sauce is just starting, literally just the start. I got a big mess over here, but that's how it goes. So 27 meatballs. Throw it in the sauce. It's an old Italian family secret. And then over from the old country in Italy, and then they throw it in the sauce for 5-6 hours. Let the meatballs cook. After you cook them on top of the with the frying pan a little bit, and then I'm gonna throw some stewing beef in there as well in about 3-4 hours and let that cook for a couple hours. And then you got stewing beef, and you've got some meatballs, and these are 95% lean, 95% fat. They're grass fed, no antibiotics, no GMOs, none of that nonsense. I put them in some, put some egg around it, rolled it in some egg, and then, dipped it in some egg, and then I rolled it in just a little bit of breadcrumbs so that I can get a nice crispy outer layer. It's going to be spectacular when they're done. Wish each and every one of you could try it.